Hello friends, welcome back to BlockDrive. In this video, we'll be learning about different types of inheritance in Solidity. So in the last videos, we have covered about different topics on Solidity. Please go ahead and check it out. And in the last video, we have covered about inheritance. If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section below. And please do check if you want to learn about inheritance. So let's start with different types of inheritance in Solidity. There are majorly four types of inheritance in Solidity, which is single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, and multiple inheritance. So let's start with single inheritance. Single inheritance or single level inheritance is basically the function and the variables of one base contract are inherited to only one derived contract. So basically what it tries to say is when we have a contract dog and one contract Labrador, which is inheriting the property of its parent, only a parent and a child is involved. So in that case, it is known as single inheritance. Basically, one parent and one child is involved. Then it is a case of single inheritance. Now let's move to multi-level inheritance. So multi-level inheritance means it is very similar to single inheritance, but the difference is that it has level of relationship between parent and the child, and the child contract derived from the parent also acts as a parent for the contract which is derived from it. So what it means is basically suppose the contract dog is the parent which has functions make sound and run speed, and its child is basically a Labrador which is again overriding the run speed function. And then in the Labrador class we again have subclasses such as American Labrador or English Labrador. Then what it means is basically there is a multi-level inheritance. Basically, dog is a parent of Labrador, and then Labrador is again the parent of American Labrador. So this is how multi-level inheritance works. And how do you do it? Basically, you just write dog, and you just write the contract dog, and with the contract dog being the parent of Labrador, you say contract Labrador is dog. Now what happens? Basically, properties of dog class comes to the Labrador class, and in the same manner, when Labrador becomes the parent of American Labrador, so what happens? You just write contract American Labrador is Labrador. So the Labrador now becomes the parent, and its properties are inherited to American Labrador. So this way, and you can override the functions over here, whatever the properties or attributes you want to change. So this is how multi-level inheritance works in Solidity. Now let's move ahead, and the third one is hierarchical inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance is okay. So yeah, so let's move ahead and let's learn about hierarchical inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance is a parent contract has more than one child contract. It is mostly used when common functionality is to be used in different places. Now, basically, it's trying to say that a parent has multiple children. So in this case, if you see, in case of multi-level inheritance, one parent was being inherited by a child, and then that child was again becoming a parent of the other child. In this case, a parent remains one, but the but its children becomes two or multiple, more than two. So this is what hierarchical inheritance means. Now let's move ahead with the fourth one. What is multi-level inheritance? Multi-level inheritance is nothing but okay, let me give you an example. Okay, so multi-level inheritance is a single contract can be inherited from many contracts. A parent can have more than one child, while a child can have can have more than one parent. So in hierarchical, what was the meaning? It was like one parent and multiple children are using that single parent. But in this case, a single uh, a single child can have multiple parents. So it's like dog and Labrador are again. It's like German Shepherdor is the child of dog and Labrador. So basically, actually, this is actually a term which is a breed between German Shepherd and a Labrador. So I did not know this term, so I had to Google it out. So basically, what they are trying to do in multiple inheritance is I've created a dog contract, and also there is a contract of Labrador. Now what happens, we want a German Shepherd contract, which is Shepherdor. Sorry, we want a German Shepherdor contract, which is a dog and also a Labrador. So it's a mixed breed between the two. So what we do is just it's just an example to explain you. So what we do is basically we are inheriting both the parent classes. So this is how multiple inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, and multi-level inheritance and single inheritance is different. So yeah, that's all for the video. Please do let me know in the comment section below if you have any doubts. I'll be most happy to answer them. If you like the content, and it takes a lot of hard work as well, so please do like, share and subscribe for more. Thank you.